Now I would like to speak about how to convert data types. It's very important because you can have a situation, for example, like this. You have a form on your website. The visitor puts theirs, for example, age in the form, and you will receive the data here in your code from the form. But the problem is that the age will be or can be string. So you need to convert it to integer, for example, or the float, to be able to do something with the age, for example, validate the age, make some math operations and things like that. So we have lots of situations like this when we need to convert data types, and we have some simple functions to convert data types. So it means if you want to convert something to string, you just use ctr, and here in the brackets you just put there what you want to convert to string. If you want to convert something in integer or float, we have these functions. And again, what do you want to convert, or what do you want to convert to the integer? You just put it here in the brackets, float as well, and we have a boolean as well. So I would like to show you some examples. So for example, you can imagine that you received the number 40, and you know that this is the age, okay, of the user or someone. But the problem is that you received it like a string, so you need to convert it to the number. So I will just write new age and use, I want to convert it to integer, for example. So I will write int, and what I want to convert to integer, age, right? The string 40. So the string 40 is converted to integer, and it's stored in a new age. And so here I would like to print the type of new age, and we can see that it's integer, right? So okay, everything is perfect. So I will just write it comment here. It's integer, right? Another example, for example, you can have a phone number. For example, here in the Czech Republic we have phone numbers like this. It's only example, okay? But if we have a number like this, usually phone number, it doesn't make sense to have phone number like an integer, right? Because with phone number you don't want to make some math operations. It doesn't make sense to make something like phone number plus 1, phone number divided by 10, okay? You usually don't do that, right? So the point is that it's a better idea to store phone number like a string. Okay, so I will do something like new phone number, and I will use convert to string. So string, and what I want to convert to string, the phone number, right? So I will write phone number, and again I can print out type of new phone number, and if it is correct, it will be string. We will see. Okay, I will run it, and we can see it's string. So it works fine. Great, and you can use float as well, but here we have a boolean. Boolean is very interesting because if you we have, for example, 3 numbers, okay, number 1, number 2, and number 3, for example, something like this, and you want to convert it to boolean. So I will write new num1, and I convert it like I will use bool. So I want to convert it to boolean data type, and I will write here that I want to convert the 0, okay, the 0, convert it to bool and store it in a new num. I will do it for the rest of the numbers as well, like this, this, and this. Okay, we convert it, and we can print, for example, type just new num1. Okay, it's absolutely the same for new num2, new number 3. It's so I will write it only once here, and you can see it's bool. Okay, but very important thing is that Boolean, we know that there are only two options, true and false. So what is true and what is false? So I will print just new number, not the data type. I want to print the value, okay? And 2 and 3, okay? Something like this. So I will print it, and you can see it's false, true, true. So it means that this is false, this is true, and this is true. What does it mean? It means that if you have 0 and you want to convert it to Boolean, 0 is false, always. If you have a different number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, and so on, and so on. So every time you convert any different number than 0, it will be true. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so on. It will be true anytime. Okay, only 0, if you convert it to Boolean, it's false. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Okay, so now we know how to deal with converting data types.